We'll guide you through how to make vertical text in Word. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are two different types of vertical text we'll cover in this video. First of all, we'll start off with the left style. Come to the top left, click on Insert, and go and click on Text Box, and just click on Simple Text Box. Now type in the text you want to go and have. I'll just have guide. Then what you can do is go and highlight it. You can go and change the font and the size of it, just like so. You can click and hold on the edge as well to go and move it around. And what I like to do is remove the black outline, right click on it and click on Format Shape, come over to the right, and you want to go down into Shape Options and then Fill in Line, and go into Line and select No Line. And then to rotate it, all you need to do is click on the rotate icon, click, hold and drag, and just like that, you can go and rotate it. Now for the second style, what you need to do is go to the top left, click on Insert, come over to Text Box and click on Simple Text Box. And then what you need to do is you want to go and remove what's currently in here and start typing in what you want. So I want to have guide. Now what you need to do is type in what you want, which in my case is guide. So put the first letter, then hit enter, just like so, and keep repeating it until you've written the full word out, just like that. Now what I like to do is make this slightly bigger. So I'll highlight it, click on home, and then I'll go and make it more like this, and there we go. Now I like to go and make this gap smaller between the letters. So all you want to do is highlight the letters like so, come to the top in home, click on line and paragraph spacing, and click on line spacing options. And go and click on don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. The spaces are then shrunk, and then all you want to do is go and remove the black line. To do that, you right click on it, click on Format Shape, make sure you click on Shape Options and go down to Line and select No Line, just like so. And that's it.